What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Today is a very special day. I got up this morning, was out here tending my chickens, opened up my phone, checked for comments and stuff on YouTube, checked out the views. Guess what? 50 subscribers we have. 50. I cannot believe it. That is amazing. That is incredible. You guys are the best. I believe that time is like the most precious commodity that a person has. Okay. You know, you only get so much of it. You can't get more once it's gone. And you guys are out there watching this content that I'm making, subscribing to my channel. That just means the world to me. It really does. You know, I love family, and you guys are my YouTube family. So I thought maybe we'd do a little bit of a special thing this morning. And we're going to try to get this rototiller going. It's got a PowerMore engine on it. Not a big fan of PowerMore engines. They're Honda knockoffs. They seem to run okay. I've had a mixed bag of luck with them, really. But anyway, I got some customers out here. They're wanting some rototillers. It's late in the fall. They want to till up flower beds and stuff like that before winter. So if we can get this going, there's a good chance I already have it sold. So let's go ahead and dig in. See if it's got oil in it. Now, I got this, and supposedly they said it started on card cleaner. I have not done anything to this yet besides throw it up here on the bench and drag it home, obviously. Okay. Oil looks like brand new in it. Well, that's cool. It actually looks pretty good. Tines look real good on it. Let's see if I can. You guys can't even see what's going on here, but oh, it's a Husky 16-inch garden tiller. So I guess the next thing is going to be, let's see if it wheels over. Oh, I did notice, forgot to show you that. Air filter and air filter housing are missing. I don't know what it is with this rash of air filter housings lately, but I think when something doesn't run and they just take the air filter cover off and they can't get it to start up with a little spray of ether or whatever, they just throw the cover away or lose it. So, at any rate, let's keep going here. All right, ignition on, chokes out. Have fuel in it. Has fuel in it, smells recent. Let's just check right now and see if that guy was right. I can reach around here without losing my all over the place. Come on. This thing is awkward. It is awkward. Okay. Just give her a little snort of that. All right. Here we go. We got nothing. Let me run out there to the van, go grab my spark checker. See if we got any fire. I bet we don't. Got my inline spark checker here. Plug wire looks like it's going to be fun to get out of there. Pins right up against the exhaust. Oh. With a metal cover over it. Something else out here. Okay. All right. turn that so maybe you guys can see that. Maybe, yeah, you should be able to see that there. Let's see if we got any fire. Dead as a hammer. Okay. Pull the top cover off and see if we can't see why. Oh, it's got another cover. Okay, let me go grab my 10mm, fellas. Okay, that's interesting. We got mouse nest. Oh boy. Okay. Let me get you guys in here. I think we found our problem. I'm gonna flip you around. Hang on a second. Okay, so that is magnet. See it? Look at the coil. See how that's all mushroomed out, messed up? Magnets came apart. Somebody's tried to rig it. It's got a freaking sheet metal screw in there. That one's totally gone. So, I do not have spare parts for a power mower tiller. So I'm either gonna have to wait until I get one in or look on eBay, but it's getting late in the fall. So this thing's either gonna be a repower or one to work on next spring. So that sucks. So it's gonna go outside, I think. Hang around until I figure out what I'm gonna do with it. You guys are still here? What's that? You wanna see me put it back together? Okay. We can do that. That just stinks though, guys. I was really hoping, you know, to be able to throw a little bit of dirt around for you guys for 50 subscribers, but really appreciate you hanging out with me. You win some, you lose some. That's the way it goes when you work on mechanical stuff. Just the nature of the beast. If I had a little bit more of that, I could probably make myself a fur coat or a wool jacket. Well, that is a bummer. Where does that go? I think it goes like that. Yes, no, maybe? Yes. Why did you not put it down there? There we go. Oh, I don't think this engine has very much time on it at all. I really don't. Maybe I'll get a deal on some parts or get a free engine down the line here. Fix it on up. It's definitely still too good to go to the scrap pile though, I will say that. It's got a nice little tiller body. And I think the engine's definitely worth fixing. Just got to be able to fix it to the point where I can do something with it. It's not going to break the old bankola. put the recoil on wrong. Was not paying attention when I tore this thing apart. Now let's do it with what they like to call the right way. There we go. Looks better already. Now we can put this back on. Oh, I'm pretty disappointed, guys. I really am. Kind of feel like I got hosed on this a little bit. It's all right. Won't keep me down long, I promise. All right, well, we're all the way back together. Time to mothball this guy for a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching this channel. I really do appreciate it. I'm sorry I couldn't do better for you today. Kind of out of my hands at this point. Can't just whip the parts up out of thin air. But the 50 of you that have hit that subscribe button, I really appreciate it. Thank you. It means a lot. For those of you that are watching and haven't hit that subscribe button, well, now's the time. Now's the time, guys. Thank you for watching. God bless.